Guys, greetings and welcome back to Amaka TV. So guys, in today's video I want to share with you guys how you can use Vaseline Body Lotion to brighten up your skin, yes, without having any skin issues, without having white patches, without having discolorations, stretch mark, and so on. So that's what I want to share with you guys today. But please, before we dive into the video, make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and please don't forget to like my video. And when you subscribe, please make sure you turn on the notification bell to all, so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the video. Okay guys, you need a natural lotion for this recipe. That's why I'm using Vaseline body lotion. You know, we have two types of Vaseline body lotion, though. We have the foreign Vaseline and we have the Nigerian made, so anyone you want to use is fine. Okay, you can use vitamin B Vaseline body lotion, and you can also use Vaseline Cocoa Radiant. Okay, so anyone you want to use, this Vaseline Cocoa Glow, anyone you want to use is okay. So get your Vaseline. If you don't want to use Vaseline and you have a good natural body lotion that you want to use, it's also fine. You can also use a natural body lotion, but please do not use already chemical lotion. Please, if you know any lotion that contains chemical already, you know, this lightening, whitening, do not use them for this recipe. Okay, so get your Vaseline body lotion. When you get your Vaseline body lotion, all you need to do is to cut it. You know, your Vaseline body lotion, you cut it into two. Okay, half of it. If you cut it into two, half of it, you get a clean bowl and pour the half in a clean bowl. Okay, you pour the half in a clean bowl. Okay, see, let me tell you, Vaseline body lotion is very nice because Vaseline body lotion helps to repair your skin if you have a damaged skin. It helps to glow your skin, rejuvenate your skin. You know, it helps to nourish the skin. Okay, that's why it's very good. If you want to try out this recipe, you use a natural good body lotion. Okay, so when you cut it, you pour half of the Vaseline body lotion in a clean bowl. Okay, after you must have poured it in a clean bowl, you'll be needing a serum. Okay, so you'll be needing a pigment dose serum. Okay, get a pigment dose serum. You'll be needing only half of pigment dose serum. Please don't use a whole pigment dose serum. Okay, we'll be needing half of pigment dose serum. Okay, so pour the half of pigment dose serum in this mixture. When you pour it in this mixture, then stir it very well and make sure it is properly mixed. Okay, then after that, add 5 tablets, right? 5 tablets of vitamin C, like, you know, vitamin E, sorry, not C, vitamin E. You know how vitamin E comes, you know, 5 of it. Okay, get 5 of vitamin E oil, the original one, you know, the one you go to pharmacy and buy, not these ones that comes in different color. You know, you buy it comes in a container in a different color, not that one. Original vitamin E oil, get it and pour 5 of it. If you can't get up to 5, there is no problem, but make sure you add at least from 3. Okay, add it in this mixture. Vitamin E oil is very good when it comes to moisturizing the skin, when it comes to nourishing the skin, when it comes to, you know, taking good care of your skin. Vitamin E is very good for that, and it will also serve as a preservative in this recipe. Okay, to preserve it from spoiling quick. Okay, so when you are done preparing this recipe, look for somewhere dark and cool in your room and keep it. Do not keep it where it will have direct contact with the sun. Okay, so look for somewhere cool and keep it in your room. Okay, so after you must have added your vitamin E oil, you stir it very well, you know, mix it together, stir very well. Now get a container that has a cover and transfer it to it. Okay, you put it in a container that has a cover. Okay, and tight it, like you close it very well and keep. Do not use it the first day you miss it. I like to settle down. I like to stay. If you miss it today, you know, you prepared this today, you promised this your lotion today, allow it to stay throughout today. From tomorrow you can start using it. Okay, this recipe will help you to achieve a brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. It is not going to give you white patches, it's not going to give you discoloration, it's not going to give you knuckles, it's not going to give you green veins, it's not going to give you stretch mark. Okay, it's not going to cause you issues as long as you're going to use it, like as long as you're going to prepare it based on these measurements. Okay, and as long as that you're not going to use a chemical body lotion to prepare this, okay, it's not going to give you skin issues. Just try it out. You come and thank me, because it will help to give you a very beautiful brightening light complexion. Yes, it will help to give you. Come and thank me. It is tested and trusted. It is very, very active. Okay, that's what most of us are using. Yes, that's most of our secrets. Okay, so guys, that's what I said. Let me share with you guys today how to achieve a brighter complexion with vitamin, with Vaseline Body Lotion. Okay, so try it out. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to come back and leave your review, okay, after you must have tried it out and it works very beautifully for you. Okay, because I know it's going to work for you. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching my video to the end. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and please, if you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will notify each time I upload a new video. Make sure you like my video. It helps YouTube to appreciate that for me. Thank you. See you on my next video. I love you. Feel free to check out my videos here on my channel. I discuss about skincare, I do product review, I share tips on how to grow your YouTube account. So feel free to check out my videos. You see videos that are interesting to watch. See you on my next video. I love you. Bye.